Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Nakshatra. Today we are going to make a catch game on Scratch. First, let's open Scratch. Just type Scratch Meet Edu on search bar. Click on Start Creating. At the end of this video, you will be able to make a catch game like this one, where the objects falling down from the sky and your character or objects catching them. Now let's choose a catcher that we want to move left and right. Here you can choose any sprite you want. I am picking the bowl. I am setting the size of my catcher into 1/10 because it needs to be bigger than the object that is falling down from the sky so it can catch it. Now let's choose a backdrop. You can pick any backdrop you want. I'll pick the blue sky. Let's make the catcher move by using the following codes and arrow keys. To make the catcher move, first add if then block and the key right arrow press. Let's also add when green flag clicked and change XY by 10. Instead of this, you can use when this sprite clicked and then add forever loop so it keeps checking all the time. Again add if then block but the left arrow key and change XY by -10 and join them to the forever loop. By this code we made our catcher move with the left and right arrow keys. Step 2. Let's make a falling object. Let's choose a sprite. I am choosing apple. The apple is too bigger than the bowl, so let's set its size into 80. Let's make the apple go to the top, so pick go to random position. And also choose set Y to 180. Y represents how up it goes and how down it comes. If we keep 180, it goes to top. If we keep 0, it comes to the middle. And if we keep -180, it comes to down. So keep 180 and add when green flag clicked. Now take forever loop and change Y by 10 and change it into -5. The apple went too down. For that, you need to set it into a certain position and change it into -170. Let's pick if then block, Y position block and less than block. Add less than block and Y position block to if then block. And then change 50 into -170. Now duplicate the random code and keep it in the if then block and join it into forever loop. Add the block green flag clicked. You can see the apple falling down, coming back to the top and falling down again. Step 3. You need to make a code to catch the apple. Add if then block, duplicate the code of random position and go to sensing blocks, pick touching block and then change it into bowl. Now let's choose a suitable sound. Here I am choosing collect. Let's add start sound collect to the if then block. Pick when green flag clicked and add forever loop. Step 5. Let's add score. Now go to variables and click on make a variable and type score. Now pick change my variable to 1 and change it into score. And also add set my variable to 0 and change it into score. Now let's see how the code works and let's play the game. Here I got the score level. You could also try and comment down your scores. Meet you in the next video and happy coding. Bye bye.